This 24-inch Romwish T8 tube delivers clean daylight-style illumination that makes work surfaces and storage areas much easier to see. Its modest 10-watt draw replaces a traditional fluorescent of roughly similar brightness, so you cut energy use significantly without sacrificing light output. The hybrid design works either in existing instant start electronic ballast fixtures or in direct wired setups, giving you flexibility during upgrades and future replacements. It is especially handy in short fixtures under cabinets, on utility shelves, or in tight closets, where longer tubes will not fit, but you still want bright, even coverage. Solid-state components, quality light-emitting diode chips, and a metal-backed body contribute to a long service life that greatly reduces how often you need to change tubes. Buying the multi-pack makes it easy to relamp an entire small shop, basement, or kitchen in one go, so all of your fixtures match in color and brightness.